Hey friends, happy Monday! We are starting our 5th week of Learning Differently, where Miss Kate is teaching from her house and you guys are learning from your house. Wow, 5 weeks. I miss you guys so much and I hope you guys are having a great time at home. Hope everyone had a good Easter and I can't wait to see you guys again soon. So today is a rainy Monday at my house. It has been raining all day. You can see the rain on my window. And it's windy out too. So windy and rainy. What a fun weather day we're having. I think it's gonna be real exciting if the wind gets real strong, but I hope it doesn't get too strong, friends. What do you think? All right, so for today's math lesson, I thought we could do some counting. And what does Miss Kate love to use when we do our counting? My big dice. That's right. So I have today my big blue dice with me. And I have my cards, my dice cards that look the same so we can find same. And today I pulled out my big color cubes. So there's a lot of them. We've used them quite a bit at school. So these are my counting cubes that I brought out today. And I thought we could roll the dice and take counting cubes out, but let's make it a game, right? So I also have these two containers. They're labeled. There's number 1 and there's number 2. My Post-it notes happen to be acorns today because that's what Miss Kate found at home. So I was thinking we could roll the dice, count how many we get, and put that many cubes into 1. And then after we do it for bin number 1, do it for bin number 2. And then we'd go back and do 1, 2. So not only are we counting, we're making a pattern too. So we're gonna roll and count for 1, roll and count for 2, roll and count for 1, roll and count for 2. So our pattern is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's a cool pattern. We do a lot with patterns like that as well. So my first thought was, let's see which one we can fill up first. And what do you guys think? Are we gonna fill up container number 1 first? Or are we gonna fill up container number 2 first? What do you think? They're the same size. I made sure they were the exact same. They hold 5 cups. 5 cups. Oh my goodness, we need to fill 5 cups with our counting blocks, or counting cubes. So let's get started. Ooh, it's getting windy at Miss Kate's house. All right. So my first roll is gonna be to fill number 1. Are we ready? Oh, wow. Right out of the gate with a big number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I rolled the number 6. 6 and 6, they are the same. So now I need to make sure I have number 1. And I'm going to put 6 blocks in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There they are in there. I have 6 blocks in the bottom. All right. Number 1 has 6. Let's see. Ooh, what number did I roll? 1, 2, 3, 4. I rolled a 4. There's my number 4. The same. All right, so I need to take tub number 2 or bin number 2 and I need to put 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there they are. 4. All right, so now we're back to 1, remember? Our pattern was 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we have to go back to 1. How many did I roll? 1, 2, 3 dots. The number 3. Remember, our 3 dice card looks a little different, but it's still the same. These 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, represent the number 3. And these 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, represent the number 3. All right, we're back to 1. I'm going to fill it with 3. 1, 2, 3. There they are. They're in there. All right, now we need to, the next roll is to fill up bin number 2. Ready? One. How many? 1. I rolled a 1. So I'm gonna put 1 counting block in. There we go. All right. Let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. We're back to number 1. All right. Let's look. How many did I roll? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I rolled 6 again. Here we go. Number 6. All right, so I'm going to put 6 blocks in bin number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Whoa, the bottom is, I think the bottom is covered. Yeah. You almost covered the whole bottom of bin number 1. How cool. Now we go on to 2. Whoa, let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4. I rolled the number 4. There it is, right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I need to put 4 in number 2. Bin number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. All right. So if we went 1, 2, 1, 2, we're back to 1. Let's fill number 1 again. Woo! My dice was all over the place there. Ooh, I don't think we've had this one yet. Let's look. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I rolled the number 5. All right. That means I need to put 5 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh boy. Tub number 1 is starting to fill up. The bottom is almost all the way covered. All right, so our pattern goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So now we're back to bin number 2. Give it a good roll. Wow. Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I rolled the number 5 again. How cool. So I need to put 5 in. I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How cool. Oh, the bottom of number 2 is starting to fill up. Nice. Right, now we're back to 1 because our pattern goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 is next. All right. What? Oh no! Well, Miss Kate's die just rolled right under her couch, so I'm gonna get that later, and I'm gonna use another one of my blue ones. There we go. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I rolled a 6. You can count the dots. Nice. All right, that means I need to put 6 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I don't know. Number 1's getting pretty full. Right, so if our pattern is 1, 2, 1, 2 is next. So I'm going to roll the dice to see how many to put in. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I rolled the number 6 again. Check it out. There it is. All right, I need to put in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, could number 2 be catching up? Let's find out. All right, so our pattern is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. All right, so I'm going to roll my dice. Whoop. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Miss Kate rolled a 5 again. There it is. All right, so I need to put in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Number 1 is getting kind of full. All right, and if our pattern is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, we are back to number 2. Let's roll and find out how many to put in. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I rolled a 6. So that means I need to put 6 in. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, that was a big number. Number 2 is catching up over here. All right, so which one, friends? Here's 1. That's all the squares in 1. Here's 2 with the counting blocks. Which one do you think is gonna fill up first? Let's keep going and find out. We just did 2, so we're back to 1. Ooh, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I rolled a 4. There it is. So we need to put in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's give them a good shake to make sure they're all flat. Oh, there's number 1. It has 2 rows already. All right, so if we went 1, 2, 1, 2, we have to fill number 2 next. I'm going to roll it. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. We rolled a 3. number 3 up top. All right, I'm going to put in 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's number 2. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1 is next in our pattern. 1, 2. I rolled a 2. I don't think we've rolled a 2 yet. Here's number 2. All right, I'm going to put in 2. 1, 2. Oh, I think they're starting a third row. 1, there's 1, 2, 3. How cool. All right, so we just finished with 1. We need to go back to 2. All righty. I rolled a 2 again. 1, 2. There's number 2. We need to put in 1, 2. There we go. All right, we just did 2, so our pattern tells us to go back to 1 because our pattern is 1, 2, 1, 2. Oops, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I rolled a 6. There it is. All right, that means I need to put 6 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is. All right. Back to this one. 2. 1, 2. I rolled the number 2 again. Right, I'm going to put 2 in. 1, 2. Right, back to number 1. I need to roll it. Well, friends, now I do have to go get one from under my couch. Got it. All right, try and roll it again. This time I'm going to be more gentle. Oh, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number 5. All right, that means I need to put 5 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 5 on top. All right. We just did number 1, and our pattern tells us 1, 2, 1, 2 is next. All right. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I rolled a 6. Means I need to put 6 in. Oh, we're getting to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. 6 in. Right, back to number 1. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to put 5 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. I don't know, this one's looking pretty full. We'll have to see. So that was 1. Now we're back to 2. Oh my goodness, 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I rolled the number 5 again. I'm gonna fill up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that was number 2, so we're back to 1. Let's see. I got a 5 again, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there it is. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check it out, guys. It's full. We filled up number 1. Look at that. Number 2 wasn't too far behind, but 1 has more first. So we filled up number 1 first before number 2. How cool. Well, guys, it was just a fun, simple counting activity that Miss Kate did. And again, all I used was a dice. I used some Tupperware I had at home and some counting blocks. And then I also had my counting cards to help out. So I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. And I hope you guys stay dry in this rain. And I hope you don't get blown away by this crazy wind outside. Have a great windy day. Bye.